What up guys, Jet White here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the ass end of the truck. We're going to be installing the PRO4X 2020 rear tailgate finisher. This is going to work for all your 5.6 and 5.0 16 and up tailgates. So check it out. I got the finisher from Z1 Off-Road. I'll post the link in the description below. It was around 300 bucks or so. It does not come with the emblem. It has a metallic black finish to it, dark gray if you will, with the PRO4X badging on it. I personally don't like badges. I wish it didn't have it, but it's molded onto the plastic finisher, so there's not much I can do about it. And this finisher is not an accessory. It's more of a replacement part, so you're gonna have to do some modifying here, and I'll show you in a bit here what I'm gonna do. So we're going to remove all these white clips that you see here, and there's a couple little T-bolts there that we're going to remove. I can't commit to drilling 30-40 holes in the tailgate because I don't even know if I'm going to like it. That guide pin there is going to have to be either cut off or shaved down. And what I'm going to use to attach the finisher is going to be double-sided tape. I'm going to be using some 3M 30-pound tape to obviously hold it up. So. The finisher here was using a dry erase marker. Obviously it's pretty easy to line up. You're just kind of using the tail lights as a guideline. Alright, so here's the first look. I love the way it looks. It looks super aggressive. It matches the tail lights perfectly. Just the profile of it is just a lot more aggressive. Brings up that ass end a lot more. You know, I have my roof vinyl wrap black and I think it matches perfectly. On my front upper bumper fascia, I had a vinyl wrap the headlights, the housing, so that kind of gives it more of a uniform finish up front. If you guys want to see a video on that, let me know. But if you guys like the video, smash thumbs up, like, subscribe, share it, and stay tuned. I have some other stuff coming up, so I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.